Good evening, everyone. Just a quick Learn Ilocano video. Let's learn how to say I have and I don't have. Have in Ilocano is Adda. 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 And to say I have, if the noun ends in a vowel, like for example, the Ilocano word for money is kwarta. 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 And it ends in a vowel, letter A. So if it ends in a vowel, we attach the letter K, and that would make it kwartak. So to say I have money, Adda kwartak. Adda kwartak. Let's have another example that ends in a vowel. Dog in Ilocano is asok. So it ends in a vowel, letter O, and we have to attach letter K. Asok. I have a dog. Adda asok. Adda asok. If someone asks you, do you have a dog? Adda asom? And you want to say, yes, I have a dog. Yes, one, I have a dog. Adda asok. Last example, room or bedroom, kwarto. And to say, I have a room, Adda kwartok. Adda kwartok. Now, let's have something that doesn't end in a vowel, but instead, it ends in a consonant. Example, car in Ilocano is lugan. Lugan. So, it ends in letter N, and if it ends in a consonant, we use ko. I have a car. Adda lugan ko. Adda lugan ko. And to say I don't have, Awan. Awan. Do you have money? Adda kwartak. I have money. What if you don't have money and you want to say, I don't have money? Awan kwartak. Awan kwartak. I have a dog. Adda asok. I don't have a dog. Awan asok. Awan asok. Do you have a room? And you want to say, I don't have a room. Awan kwartok. Awan kwartok. Last one. Do you have a car? Yes, one. I have a car. Adda lugan ko. Do you have a car? I don't have a car. Awan lugan ko. That's it for tonight. On the next video, let's learn what is addan and awanan. Good night. Bye.